Today I'm going to show you what comes with your mount, as well as how to install an access point and one of our antennas to the mount. When you open your box, it'll come with the mount plus 2 mounting plates, hardware for mounting an antenna, and 2 I-beam clamps. Your mount will come pre-installed with this mounting plate. It's a universal mounting plate that is compatible with most enterprise level access points. Should your access point not work with this, we also supply a T-rail plate that you can swap out there and is compatible with most T-bar solutions. Also pre-attached to the mount is our hanger bar. This hanger bar is designed to work with our I-beam clamps as well as any 3/8" all thread. You can remove this hanger and swap it around as necessary, allowing you to place the access point and the antenna however you desire. For this demonstration, we're going to show you how to install our 8 dBi patch antenna. We will be using this hole pattern to mount the antenna, but for your antenna, you may need to use this center post. This ratchet with a 10mm socket and this hardware to install our antenna using this hole pattern. We're going to use Mist's AP43E for use with external antennas. To mount it, you simply use these 4 keyhole slots to attach the access point. We're going to mount to the keyhole slots using the 4 feet on the Mist access point, making sure to align our cam locking feature with the Mist feature here. Once securely on there, you should notice an audible thud, knowing that it's secure on the mount. Final thing I need to do is attach the leads to the antenna. Now that we have all 4 antenna leads attached, this is complete and you can mount as necessary. Keep in mind that this is just one configuration. We could have put the access point on either side and the antenna on either side, as well as the mounting hanger bracket on either side.